Girl, when I tell you this wig is nothing to play with and it is giving, who, baby, I need you to keep on watching because this 2-in-1 wig install is nothing to play with. Let's get into it. Girl, so before we even get into it, let me give a big shout out to Genius Wigs for sponsoring today's video. So this is their crystal clear lace frontal wig. This wig comes with 2 different textures. Yes, you heard me right. 2 for 1 basically. So this is a wet and wavy texture, and it also can be straightened, which I'll show you guys in the video. So let's go ahead and talk about this clear lace, or crystal clear lace I should say. This wig comes with a pre-plucked hairline as well as bleached knots, so you really don't have to do anything to this wig. As you guys can see right here in this clip, the lace is really blending into my skin. The hairline looks amazing, y'all. I had no idea this wig was going to look like this once I put it on. And also, let me say this, when I got this wig, it was a straight texture. But when I washed it, this is the texture of the hair. But I'm going to show you guys a little later in the video exactly how, ooh, yes. Do you see that part? When I tell you this wig like literally took me there, it literally took me all the way there. So as you can see right here in this clip, you get a lot of parting space. This is 6 inches, and also this is a 13x6 lace frontal wig. This wig is it's 16 inches with 180% density. So I'm just going to zoom in on the hairline so you can really get into it, because this crystal clear lace is really giving me beginner friendly vibes, and I can honestly appreciate this because ain't nobody got time to be plucking and bleaching knots and stuff like that. And I love that Genius Wig made sure this is like the go-to wig for beginners. And like I said, you know, you get 2 textures in one wig. It's also budget friendly, period. I'm going to take a section of the hair and just flat iron a couple of pieces just to see how the hair does with heat. And so far it is straightening really good, and I actually like the texture of this wig. It kind of reminds me of the Yaki texture, but not as thick and full as the Yaki texture, but it gives that thick, coarse feel like, and it also kind of shows on camera that it's definitely a thicker hair texture once it is straightened. Y'all, this hair is so pretty. I honestly don't know how I want to wear this hair. I don't know if I want to wear it curly or if I want to wear it in its straight texture. I don't really know, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and also apply water to the other side of my hair, just in case I do decide to wear this wig in its curly texture. I definitely want to see what it looks like once the curls is defined. Now, I'm not going to add any products to this side because, like I said, I'm kind of indecisive right now where I don't know if I want to wear the hair straight or curly, and I definitely don't want a lot of product on my hair if I decide to straighten this hair. But as you can see, when I apply water, it just gives like this whole wet, wavy texture, what it's supposed to do. The texture is cute and all, but I really think I'm just gonna go for the straight look because I love how this hair looks straightened, but it's also very beautiful on the wet and wavy texture. I was really just like in between the middle where I really didn't know what I wanted to do, but it's super cute, y'all. This is such a cute, pretty, quality wig. So I could not help it. I had to straighten this wig. I'm a sucker for thick, full, straight hair, and you guys know this. But look how flat this wig is, y'all. And look at that lace, girl. Where is the lace, baby? Where is it? Is that your hair? That's the vibe. Yes. Y'all, this wig is so cute. Like, I keep saying that, but this video is just not doing it any justice on how beautiful this wig truly is in person. So I'm gonna make sure I leave all the details below because I'm gonna really need you to get your hands on this wig, because like the girl ain't even playing with y'all in this video for real, because like this is a wig that you need. Look at this texture. Now you need to clip the ends, yes, but it is definitely giving natural vibes. It is definitely giving girl that's your hair. So y'all know the vibes. So anyways, I will have everything below. Thank you so much for watching and clicking on today's video.